So it's obviously feeding time on my new batch of fish, including the blue ram cichlids. We got Corydoras down there. There's some gouramis that are coming in and out every so often. There's one. They love coming in and out of the area between the rocks. That's turned up to be really a lot of fun for them. In fact, there's another area here, and they'll come, especially the zebras, when they're chasing each other around, like you see up here. They just love zooming around through the rocks. Now, it's interesting to note the food that is being fed down there is sinking food, obviously, pellets. And so there's a big gathering. I kind of like that. Zebras, though, are basically not really down there. The reason being is they tend to like surface food. So if I were to dump a little surface food in, and let's do that as I reach over here. Didn't plan for this. So now let's just add a little bit of surface food. Now, this is also the first day I started another filter in here. I have 3 filters working. I just put in a Fluval U3 under gravel filter. Underwater filter. And I did that because I want to start really mass filtering the water to get rid of the dark tannin. Now on the video here, it doesn't look as prevalent as it does with the naked eye, but it's there. So I glued some anubis here, anubis, to the driftwood. That's turned out really good. And then coming up here, I added pothos and philodendron this week. And I might be putting that one in soon. I've ordered some pothocaries, which are devices you can snap on the aquarium, and live plants will be held in place so their roots can come down. And then I now added another Fluval light up here, and that's so I can go full sunlight for these guys and more that are coming soon. Now it's going to be interesting because it's going to be light off to the side rather than above, so we'll see how this all works out. But it's plenty of light, there's no doubt about it. When I turn all the 3 lights on, you see I actually have 3 lights here on the tank. When I turn them all to full intensity at night, it lights up every square inch of the house. So, but anyway, this is my progress as of today. What is it? March 17th, St. Paddy's Day, 2023. Well, oddly enough, my streaming history and time watching movies has almost disappeared since I got into this. Man, I just love this. Look at that. They're all just, yeah, they are pretty hungry. I got them yesterday, and you know, stores do keep them a little more on the hungry side. They're easier to sell when they're active, and that's fine. But, you know, you don't see, well, now that the zebras are eating upstairs. One of the things I'm working on, I haven't quite come up with, I got gouramis in here, which tend to be more surface area. I do got plenty of room here. I don't know if I'm going to go for more gouramis or something else. I haven't quite decided yet. And then there's this little guy I picked up, but I don't know. With a fish and a fish. Oh, there we go. What's going on over there? Get away from him. And you always got the ever-present Corydorus catfish. They're just always cruising around somewhere, generally minding their own business. So this gourami seems to be a little aggressive to the other two. One of them has two big bites on her side. So we'll have to keep our eyes on that. Yeah, this is the wounded one on her left side, her port side. Yeah, we'll find it. Well, now I will say goodbye. I can't say goodbye. I just can't say goodbye. This is just so beautiful and so fun. By the way, this is less than 2 weeks old. So I've done all this in 2 weeks.